Tired of people calling me fat. Well, it's mostly my family, and they say I sleep like a cat. My friends know I got sleepless nights. My heart and mind fight. I guess that's why I always depend on the kindness of strangers. They make me smile. I desperately fight for love, but always go an extra mile. I do stupid things just so a person can say they're mine. Growing up, I never had love, but my siblings are more than 9. My pops used to say he's leaving for me, but he died. He believed one day God would give him a better life. Prayed every day. Nowadays I call the Bible a lie. I'm literally in pieces inside. The heart has been stolen, but I didn't report the crime. I guess all I've ever wanted was attention, but my fam got more tension. They've always acted like money means love, but Pops gave me real love. He never had money, but he gave me appreciation. Lost him though. Now I'm searching for him in every nigga that I find. My heart has been broken 1,000 times. I never learned a lesson though. I need love. I've forgotten how to be happy. I'm stuck in a fucked up life. Can't give my mama happiness in her life. I'm afraid I'm gonna be patient and she'll just lose her life without living in her favorite house or that Toyota she's always bragging about, the car. I swear sometimes I wish I had a genie as before. Every day I gotta save people's lives and relationships. They think I'm a star. Stars are meant to shine. Everything about me is dark. When I talk about my talented dreams, everyone close to me turns their back. They want me to be someone else. They want me to be fake. Once again, I'm getting love and support from strangers. I want to thank y'all. Maybe with y'all I'll reach my goals. I can't write when I'm emotional, but thank you all.